Rated M for Maker.
Hello, adventurers! LT Farsbottom here, with my compatriot as always, Clanker. Can you believe that we're back in school already? But can you believe even more that only a month away is the most amazing event ever, Global Maker Day, a day designated for us designers, our makers and tinkerers. Did you know that on October 18th, we'll be launching the event from a live streaming secret place? Did you also know that I got to go to headquarters and they gave me this disc? Yes, it's not just a save icon. They let me borrow it. But I'll give it back to them. Anyways, let's see what's on the Global Maker Day disc to extravagance adventures. Let's plug this into the old computer.
Alright then, let's load up the disc. Thinking, running, let's see. Well, let's see what the list of the events are. Oh, look at all the amazing events in the past. We need to run this. And away we go.